In today's video, we will take out the front bumper for 2022 Honda HR-V. First, we will lift up the parking brake, then we will lift up the car. I am using a four-wheeler jack to lift up the car, so I don't really need to pull up the handbrake. But if you're using the regular jack that comes with the car, you must lift up the parking brake, otherwise the car will fall apart. If you haven't already, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Now let's jump into the process. Using a door upholstery remover, we will take out the first clip from the underneath side. Notice to this point, we do not need to take out the first clip, we do not need to take out the second clip, but we will need to take out the clip that's in the middle because that is the only clip that's attached with the fender liner and holding on to the bumper. Just take out the middle clip, that's it. Also take out the clip which is right besides the third clip at the end. This is where it gets a little tricky. You will see two clips here, one there. The clip that's a little ahead of this molding, that is the clip that we need to take out. We do not need to take out this clip, no, but this, yes, we will take it out. Take out the clip which is under the frame. Once that clip is out, right besides that is another clip that also needs to be taken out. Followed by taking out the third clip which is in the same line. Continue taking out the clip from the other side as well. Once this clip is out, notice the other side has a damage, so I would not be able to demonstrate the process, but the process remains exactly the same as what I did and showed you previously. Just replicate the process and you should be fine. With that, we are done with the underneath side. Now we will jump onto the corners. First, we will take out the half portion of wheel opening molding, and for that, we'll be using a plastic trim remover tool not to damage the paint, and we will use it to make some room in the molding. Once we have created a room, we will use another plastic trim remover tool to push the brackets against the molding. Notice there one bracket has been pulled out. Similar way we will pull out another bracket. So we have pulled out two brackets so far. Now we will do the same on the upper side. Here the brackets were slightly different, but the process is exactly the same to remove them. At this point, I will remove the other plastic trim remover tool because I have created enough space, and I'll just use my fingers to remove other brackets. Once you have removed all the clips and brackets from this part of molding, then you have to come down and take some clips and screws from the underneath. We will remove one clip from the top side. Right besides that, there is one more clip that also needs to be removed. Remove one clip from the bumper side as well. Here I'll be using a small wrench with a Phillips bit to take out the screw. Then take out one screw at the very end of the bottom side. Now we will slightly pull the molding from the very edge. Notice this is where it was holding on to. This part of the molding is out. We will take out this straightforward screw using a Phillips screwdriver. Once the screw is out, now we will slightly pull the bumper from the edge. Make sure this end also comes out, and we will keep pushing it out. Use a plastic trim remover tool in order to push that portion outwards. With the plastic tool, you would not damage the headlight or the bumper. There we ended up taking it out. Notice from this part, there is a tab that we also need to push underneath the headlight to take it out, just like that. The same we would do on this side. We will push that metal bracket. There you go. We are done with this side. Now we will jump onto the other side. I already took out a screw from here. All you have to do is just pull it completely. Just like that. And we will also push those metal brackets so that the bumper is taken out. With that, we are done from this side as well. Now we will open the hood and jump onto the top part. Here we will take out a bunch of straightforward clips using a door upholstery remover. If my math is correct, I think there are total 9 clips that needs to be taken out. Once all the clips are removed, now we will remove the plastic cover. Notice there is one clip hidden underneath that plastic cover that also needs to be taken out. Now we will slightly pull out the bumper outwards from both right and left side until it completely comes out. Notice this car has fog lights, so we need to take out the plugs for them. We removed the plug from the driver's side front. We'll also need to remove the plug from the passenger side front. With that, we are done removing the front bumper completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools I used in this takeout process.